web design presentation about the websites. So the websites that we chose are connected to the electronic commerce, and electronic commerce are selling the games and virtual items to their customers. Um, this website is the most popular website among players, so it's pretty relevant to understand, probably for the programmers, what design is being used. So there is the life hack, which probably most of you already know about. So there is the website which is called Build With. So it's basically you can type the website and it will show you all the possible designs and tools and computer languages that were used. So there are actually a lot of things that I don't know, even I don't know. I mean, even probably we don't know, because, for example, web server, I'm not really, I'm not really familiar with these things. But for example, if we're gonna catch Google Analytics, I think that I would be able to explain. But first, let's talk about website navigation. So we have flat and deep. Um, to my knowledge, I think it's the flat navigation, so it uses flat style because basically each menu has um, so it has so basically it has subcategories which are divided into other categories. So it's pretty flat. So for example, if I want to find the game, um, like say RPG, so just type RPG, and it has all the games. So that's pretty flat. Um, Regarding the Google Analytics, it would be really easy to actually to notice from the reviews, which are not here. Excuse me. Let's say, let's find something more popular. So let's say Dota 2 game. It's one of my favorite, and I will explain you how Google Analytics was implemented here. So we can each user and each customer of the game. So we can see that each user has the number of hours displayed publicly. So and also it has how many products he has in account and how many reviews he has written. That's the job of Google Analytics. That's how they collect the data. That's how they track you, and that's how they sell the data. So that's how many hours is being spent on this game. So that's really good for the target market, and so they then can allocate the resources based on what marks customers are leaving on this game. So Google Analytics was one of the most familiar things. Then we may say that this website is using JavaScript. Um One of the points that was actually familiar to me, I would say, from the JavaScript is jQuery, and from the library, what was more? There was the XWF, so it's basically more about the input of the digital content, so about the videos, so it doesn't link to the YouTube, so they have their own flash player which allows them to run the videos. So that's part of the job of JavaScript, CSS, HTML, so combination of all style and computer language. The second website that I show is the main competitor. So actually this website has 26 related websites. So in other words, they have partnership with the 26 websites, and it has like this has 14 sections. So one page has at least 14 options to put, maybe even more. So it's talking about the widgets. What else it have? Like menu also stays in the same place. So pretty much consistent website. The other website has 17 related websites, so it's keep growing. Also, it has the same analytic things like Steam powered website, but it has more infographics. So what they're capable of collecting. So you may see here, for example, they have numbers about their customers, how they present themselves, what is 95% of goods that they're selling, partnerships, sponsorships. Also, they include some celebrity endorsement. So that's more about the business and marketing things. But everything is being collected through the Google Analytics engine. So, and the design, of course, design is also chosen by them. So again, we can go to the same website where we can look more about the things that they include. So we can see that they're doing a lot of advertising. So there's Facebook, App Nexus, AdRoll, DoubleClick.net, Twitter, Yahoo, even Contact is mostly Russian website. Is like the mirror. It would be mirrored to the Facebook, but it's only in Russian. So also you can see Google Analytics system is being used, and JavaScript libraries, jQuery again as in the other websites. So it's pretty much the same, but in a more advanced level. And I assume it's due to the intent to expand and to just to share their interests with others. So you can see that they're using actually more tools, and I think it creates complexity. Our Steam has like less tools and they're more organized and stored. And the second website, it has like you see like many things everywhere, like flying and like all these widgets, mirrors. So yeah, that's pretty much all about the website, and thank you for your attention, and I think that's it.